Hey, how you doing? It's me, Marcellus here. And first, before we get started with this video, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you who have subscribed to this channel. If it wasn't for you all, I wouldn't have made it to 510 subscribers. And to a lot of people, that may not look as much, but that is something to me, because I remember when I was in the double digits. I remember when I just had, one subscriber, 2 subscribers, like that. So every subscriber counts, and each and every one of y'all, I just want to say thank you. So, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be looking at GospelMusicians MKSensation for the iPhone and iPad. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be learning how to make presets on here. Okay, so originally this video was going to be about how to take these faders and how to assign them to the faders on this controller, close the app out, and then open the app back up, and still be able to use those same faders without having to relearn them, if that makes any sense, But it turns out we couldn't do that, so that's why this video has changed, because I still want to have something for y'all. All right, so that's what we're going to do today. Now, if there's a question that someone else may have, they haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button first, because there are rules to this game. First, you hit the subscribe button, then you hit that notification button so you're notified when I have your video for you, if that's what's needed. And then you hit that like button, man, because come on, man, when people see there's likes on the, video, and they see the views, it's going to make more people come. They're going to be like, oh, this dude must know what he's talking about. He must be serious about what he's doing. I need to subscribe because, hey, who knows what else he may have, and I might need some help. So, hey, help me, I help you, That's what it's all about. Us helping each other, us helping one another. So, yep. So after you subscribe, hit that notification button.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And that like button. This is all you gotta do next.
Yeah, tell me what you wanna know. That's right, tell me what you wanna know.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to choose the sounds in which we want to use. And I have EP2 with chorus. That's what I'm going to use. And then I have some strings I like to put in. First, you got to make sure the strings are selected. So that was my bad. Alright, want them in just a little bit. How does that sound? Hopefully better than my microphone. But alright, so we have the sounds that we want, and we have the levels just right. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna click on presets. Alright, and then we're going to click on this plus sign, and then you're going to name the preset. So I'm just going to put this for time's sake. EP and strings. Alright, and so whenever I want to use that one, then I just hit activate. And then it comes up. But this does not learn the faders. This doesn't, like the faders, when you close the app out and open it back in, go to presets and hit activate, it won't remember the faders. That's what this video was originally going to be about, but I found out that you could not do that. So I still want to give y'all something. So next, what we're going to do is this next preset, we're going to work with this acoustic piano. All right. Up. All right, and then what we're going to do is we're going to bring those strings right back in. All right. Yep. All right, so now what we're gonna do is uncheck that EP because we don't need that. All right, so we're just gonna do the same thing. We're gonna hit that plus sign, and then we're just gonna do piano and strings. It's hard to see this thing. I need to get me that iPad Pro. It's more powerful too. All right, so this is the first one. I just hit activate, and as you can see, it's activated. Yeah, wait a minute. All right, so go back to presets, and then we choose piano and strings this time, and piano and strings is exactly what we get. I really don't like this mic. I gotta find another way to make it where y'all can hear me real good without having to have this mic in my way, because well, actually I can put my arm like, I was thinking I had that other kind of mic stand. And so that's how you do it. That's how you do it. I don't know why I keep playing this. Something I like about this. So you know what? I tell you what. I'm going to put that EP and strings back in. Let me see here. What else we got here? Let me turn that down. I'm finna hit that learn. Hopefully my big fingers aren't in the way from you seeing the screen, because I want you to see that screen, man. A woman. Whoever watching. Oh. Where I got this? Okay. It's weird. What in the world I done did? Oh, my bad. I forgot which one I had assigned. All right, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you learned something, but we're not done just yet. No. You apparently looked at this video because you love the Roland MKS-20 sounds, correct? I mean, you don't even have to tell me. I know I'm correct. So, I tell you what, I got some more videos coming out with MKS-20 sounds. So, hey, if you love MKS-20 sounds on your mobile device, stay tuned. And if you love MKS-20 sounds on your Motif XF, if you have one, stay tuned because I got something big for you that's coming. So make sure that you stay subscribed, make sure you stay notified, and I'll see you next time, all right? All right.